Introduction to United Kingdom. United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Separated from the rest of the European continent by the North Sea and English Channel, the United Kingdom's constitutional monarchy is often referred to as Great Britain. Technically speaking, the island comprising England, Wales, and Scotland is Great Britain. The UK includes Northern Ireland as well. Scotland's coastline is littered with lochs and firths. Southern Scotland features rolling moorlands, while the central lowlands rise to meet the Grampian Mountains in the north. England's gently rolling downs and wide plains stretch from the southern coastal cliffs. The eastern coastal lowlands stretch northward, while the rugged northern highlands are met by the central plains. Wales, to the west, is bound by water in three directions and is largely mountainous. Northern Ireland is also mountainous. Farming and the manufacture of textiles, paper, and furniture are among its major industries. Area, 93,788 square miles. Population, 61,113,000 approximately. Capital, London. Population of the capital, 8,607,000 approximately. Literacy, 99%. Life expectancy, 79 years. Currency, British pound. GDP per capita, $36,600 Economy. Industries, machine tools, electric power equipment, automation equipment, railroad equipment, shipbuilding. Agriculture, cereals, oilseeds, potatoes, vegetables, cattle, fish. Export, manufactured goods, fuels, chemicals, food, beverages, tobacco.